Alright, today we're going to change the belt on this dryer. They're basically all the same. The belt broke, and it's been a while. You can just pop your screwdriver under. Grease here, pop it up, pop that up. Fold this back, just let it hang there. Here's the old belt. It broke. We gotta put the new one on. It broke right there. So there's no tears, no rips. It's just the belt itself just breaks after a while. Alright, we'll throw that away. We don't need it for nothing. Let's see, it's been a while. I think this comes out too. Let's see, I don't think I went in from the back before. No. Screws here and here. Let's take those two out. 2 Phillips screws. There's one screw right there. There's one on this side. I'm just trying to catch them so they don't fall. There. That's just I stuck this on for the wires. Let's see. We can leave the wires. Just clip it off and just move it to the side. Dryer works good. Just the belt went out. Let's set this on the side. That's it. Save our screws. Get our new belt. Here's our motor right there. Okay. Belt on. This same place. And basically, I think we can put the front back together. But what we'll do is we got to get to the back part so we can get it around the pulley. Two screws. Oh. I'm sorry, they look like 8 millimeters. Let's get them off. Use this. Let's try an 8. Nope, smaller than an 8. It's not metric. This is a 1/4 inch socket. That's what it is, 1/4 inch socket. I just need to take this off so we can get access to this pulley. There we go. Get a flashlight for you guys. Here's our pulley. Here's There's our spring with our tension. And the belt just goes on this. What we'll do is we'll put the drum back on and see what we're missing. Alright. There's little clips down here. There's holes here. It just slips back in your clips. Lift your drum up so it'll line back up in there. Oh, get your wires out. Let's see. We can hook our wires up right now. These back on. There's one. This one back on. There. That's your door switch. Lift your drum up. Looks good, then pop it back in place. Up. Clips out on this side. Damn it, the wires come on. Alright, clip back in. Get these wires back on. We'll put the wires on it. Let's get the drum up. Wires. There's that one. There's that one. Close our door. The drum lines up. Put our clips back on. One. One, two. Put our screws back in. Just be careful not to drop them in the drum. Otherwise, you'll have to take it apart again. All right, there's that one. There's this one. These are the clips that lock in up here. Alright. Wires are all back on. You put all this back together. That's back on. Alright, all we got to do is attach our belt and then put these two back on. Now, let's see. This is the trick. She goes around the idler. Look at your light in here. See? Around. This is your pulley here. Get it around that, and then around the idler. There. And that's it. And then the spring gives you your tension. This is your motor that spins. And this is idler that keeps the tension on the belt. And then we'll put it back together, plug it in, give it a try. And that's it. That's all there is to change the belt.